Did you know that the kakapo, native to New Zealand, is the world's most endangered parrot? With only around 250 individuals left, this flightless bird has become a symbol of conservation efforts. Remarkably, kakapos are nocturnal and have a unique mating call that resonates through the forests. However, habitat loss and the introduction of predators like cats and rats have drastically reduced their numbers. Conservationists have been actively working to protect these birds by creating predator-free sanctuaries. Their success not only highlights the importance of wildlife conservation, but also inspires hope for the future of endangered species everywhere.